For me, LA is everything. I consider LA my home. I consider LA, I live and breathe Los Angeles. It's a city that has enabled me to do whatever I wanted to nurture me and nurture my dreams and giving me the space to create, to do things, meet great people.
I love going to New York for work, and a lot of things happen while I'm there, but when I come back home, I feel like I can kind of take a deep breath.
I love going to work in shorts and a t-shirt. I'm in my shop, I'm getting dirty. I really enjoy that. I also love that I can go for a mountain bike ride at lunch, or after work I ride my bike to the beach.
I've traveled a lot. I've been fortunate enough to be around the world and spent a lot of time in New York, and I lived abroad in Rome, and I really feel like there's no place in the world like Los Angeles. I mean, everything about it makes me happy.
LA is really the only place I could imagine doing this. We have space. Los Angeles is still sprawling. It's huge.
As far as LA and the cliches, I think they're all true. I mean, it's beautiful, it's sunny, and nobody cares, and everybody drives cars, and everyone's happy. It really is a wonderful place to be.
One thing that's super neat about LA is the fact that there are hundreds of different cultures that live here, and that can be experienced just by taking a walk through the jewelry district on any given day.
I think California is not as laid back probably as people think it is. I think there are a lot of driven, very successful people that come to California and are focused and really on their game.
California, Los Angeles, it's fake, it's shallow, and that was totally wrong, because once I arrived, I just found out that there were wonderful people in this state, wonderful, interesting, vibrant people.
My work is a consequence of Los Angeles. The way I see evening wear, the way I see my work, the way I approach it, the way this woman that I have in my head, everything is 100% Los Angeles.
Aesthetically, it's given me a lot of space to grow. I think that LA, there's enough room for you to be yourself and to really grow as a designer and as an individual, and separate yourself from the Europeans and the New Yorkers and all that stuff. I think you can really have the time and space to develop your own style in LA.
I eat my way through the city, and there's a lot of local restaurants, taco trucks, experiences based around food that maybe people don't know about, that I sort of escape to by myself.
For me, the museums are amazing. One of the greatest things of last year was seeing the James Turrell exhibit at the LACMA. It was so special.
Mine, I think, over the years is a place called Pacific Dining Car. And what that is, it's a place in downtown LA. It's open 24 hours is what it is. It's just one of those things where, like, when you're working up in LA, if it's a late night, you could always count on the Pacific Dining Car.
I frequent a place called Cleveland Art, and it's down on Santa Fe. If you go to their actual space where they make stuff, dude, I mean, I died and went to heaven.
My personal LA is friends, family, and sunshine.
I mean, LA to me is it's home. It's hikes, that covers a lot, and it's band.
I would say sunny, I would say living, and opportunity.
I think it'd be colorful, delicious, and breathtaking.
I'm going to quote my fiance on this one: living the dream.
It would probably be sunshine, relaxation, and happiness.
Peace and quiet. The main reason why I'm here.